Hello friends, today I will be showing you guys how to create a GitHub repository using terminal. There is a lot of ways to create repositories. One is to go to the GitHub account and create a new repository from Govi. And another one is, which is really a nice way and cool thing to do it, is creating a repository from your terminal or your command line. So I'm using a terminal here to create and show you guys how to create a GitHub repository uh, using GitHub APIs. So keep in mind that uh, there are options that are required and options that are not required while creating a repository. So we are using curl -u your name on the GitHub account. So my name is Mohammed Sharifi. Link of the API https api.github.com/users/repos -d means put the data. This API is accepting a JSON type data, so we are giving it JSON type. Name is whatever name you are giving for your repository. This is required, so we have to give the name option and the name of the repository both and double quotes. For YouTube and comma. Another thing is the option of public or private, whichever you guys like. I'm making this repo as a public, so we just put true. You don't need to double quote the true. It can be read it. Enter. It's asking for your password. Give your GitHub account login password. Oh, repo has been created. So here we see this is the SSH URL for the repo. This is the clone URL. I'm copying this one because I may need it later on. Let's see what I have on the directory where I created this repo. So I have a file which is called stack1.java. Let's push this one up before pushing this one. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is my GitHub account. Let's see on the repositories. Refresh this one. You see here is the repo that I have created before, and here is the SSH link and HTTPS link. Right now it's on the HTTPS is where I copied it on from my terminal. So these are the steps. How can we go further with this repo and how can we push the data? So right now I don't have any data in this repo. Let's see how we can push data to this repo. So first of all, git init. Initialize the git repository, git add. The file that we had here is stack1, the file in the same directory is stack1.java. File been added for on the git, so git commit -m giving a commit pushing from terminal. File has been committed, so now we are adding the remote. Git remote add origin from my computer to the link where I copied it before. Enter. Git push from my account, which is origin to master. Nice. Here we see that data has been pushed. The file that I had, which his name was stack1.java. Now it's been pushed to my GitHub repository. Let's check it, guys. Here I don't have anything on the repository while the data is pushed because it's not showing until I'm not refreshing the repository. Let's refresh it. Here you go. We see the file is pushed from our terminal to here. In this video, I showed you guys how we can create a repository from terminal using command line. So this is the command that you are using GitHub API to create a repo, and you give your password. You will receive this data that is showing that your repo is created. Keep in mind, whenever you want to create a repository, you have to be on the directory or folder where you want to create a repository. Otherwise, it will give you a little bit of headache, then you can sort it out. I will talk about this on my next video. So we do git init, git add the file, git commit, and we are creating a remote git push. We are pushing data to the repo. Thank you, guys.